Hello my client, hope you are well. So the purpose of recording this video, I want to show you everything like what I have done. So I am sending you for review, so check out this. And if you need extra some column, so we can delete it. If you think we need some changes, some add, so I will do that, no problem. So first of all, it's a main dashboard of TikTok content calendar dashboard. Here welcome message, and then here is the weekly, like Monday to the list. Here we can set up daily base task here. Then move in further, here is the 30 days content calendar. So here we can check it, and here if we want to something we can add. Here we can change here the calendar type. If we change in board view, so you can check out here the checkbook in progress, hook date, everything here. If we want to see in table, you check out here. So content calendar look be good. Then I have attached quick links like AI content prompt generator, a trend tracker, video script and checklist, analytics tracker. These all pages. And extra for I have attached this watch, and then that you easily we can see update current date. Then move in the next is that AI content prompt generator. So then next is a trend tracker. Like here is the trend tracker dashboard. Here we can add something. Next, here is the hashtag value, like fitness, these hashtag, beauty, this business, these types of hashtag. Then move in video script checklist, like script name, hook value, CTA checklist, status, etc. Then final is analytics tracker. So here I have add table database, but we cannot add chart because we are using free plan. When if paid plan, we can show every chart. So this is a quick view of this content calendar dashboard. So check out. If you need anything, so let me know, I will help you. Here is the quick links, you can just click here and you watch and see everything. So thank you, and I'm waiting your feedback.